Price of sugar has gone up from rupees 40 per kg to rupees 60 and now to rupees 75 per kg. And the shopkeepers are expecting price to rise to rupees 90 per kg. This is despite the fact that India is the second largest producer of sugar in the world and we are having shortage of sugar. The government of India has now opened up free import of 1 million metric tons of raw sugar. But why is this shortage and the price rise? Media reports are indicating that due to low production, due to excess rain last year, they are towing the line of the government. Some media channels are specifically focusing to say that ethanol is not the reason for this shortage. Ethanol is produced mainly by fermenting plant-derived sugars with yeast, followed by distillation and dehydration to purify the alcohol. The Government of India has issued a press note. The Government of India has specifically claimed that the sugar prices cannot be attributed to ethanol. It claims that the sugar cane produced was affected by red rot and top borer disease and waterlogging due to excessive rain. But in this same press release, it claims that share of sugar diverted for ethanol has declined from around 12% in 2022-23 to around 9% in 2025-26. In one press interview, I heard Mr. Nitin Gadkari, the Honorable Union Minister for Road and Transport, saying that as far as ethanol fuel is concerned, it is a matter of Petroleum Ministry and not his Ministry of Road and Transport.
रही बात इसमें फ्यूल कैसा यूज करना, किसको ऐड करना, ये सब पेट्रोलियम मिनिस्ट्री के अधिकार में आता है.
But in June 2026, I saw his video where he claims that he approved rules for 100% ethanol fuel. He also says that he gets no personal benefit and his family's stake in ethanol company is only 0.07%. I think he is right that he has no personal benefit. But on LinkedIn, Debonkar Roy, founder of Go to Growth, has publicly stated that Nitin Gadkari's son's company's revenue went up from rupees 17 crore to rupees 510 crore. Yes, you heard it right. 17 crore to rupees 510 crores in 1 year via ethanol production. The company is called Sian Agro Industries and entered ethanol production in February 2024. If this is false, I call upon those opposing my statement to refute with evidence. Now, if the Government of India had the statistics of shortage of sugar production last year, which would affect the demand this year, why did the government not take steps to manage this gap? How could Nitin Gadkari, the Honorable Minister for Road Transport, make a statement this June that he has now approved rules for 100% ethanol in vehicles?
कल रात को 8 बजे मैंने जो फाइल है उसके ऊपर साइन किया कि 100% इथेनॉल इसके नियम बनकर उसको आज कानूनी रूप से प्रक्रिया देने वाली फाइल पर मैंने साइन की है.
Has he not foreseen that ethanol will require sugar and there is a sugar shortage? Ganesh festival is coming up. After that, Dasara will come. We will have Diwali and Christmas. All these festivals, you know, that we prepare sweets at home, we prepare pastries, we prepare cakes, we prepare many lovely things where sugar is used. What will happen? The price rise will still go higher. Even our sweets and the specialities for this festival will not be spared. The Bihar minister says that price of sugar rise is good to control diabetes.
तो आजकल बीमारी हो गया, मिठाई उठाई कम खाते हैं. आजकल तो सब डायबिटीज के शिकार हो रहे हैं. तो मैं समझता हूँ कि चीनी के दाम के बढ़ोतरी से कोई फर्क पड़ने वाला नहीं.
The Indian National Congress always thinks of common people, unlike the BJP, which is always thinking of interests of the rich and the famous. Now, for the import, somebody will make money. That person will import at a particular price and sell it in the market by making a profit. The cost of importing will also be factored in, which the money will be made. Do you remember what Modi promised before he became Prime Minister? Nazis also in Germany promised Kraft durch Freude, which was strength through joy. This was used heavily for state propaganda to project a false image of joy and harmony. And this is exactly what Modi promised. Achhe din. Remember that slogan?
Achhe din.
अरे हाल हमारा हुआ दुखदाई, महंगाई से छूटी रुलाई। हाय महंगाई, हाय महंगाई, हाय महंगाई। मत घबराओ, मत पछताओ, खुश हो जाओ, क्योंकि हम मोदी जी को लाने वाले हैं। अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं, ओ अच्छे दिन आने वाले हैं।
Is this the Achhe Din? Is it Achhe Din for only certain families or for everyone in the country? Did you get free 3 gas cylinders which were promised? Prices are rising. Oil, dal, vegetables, petrol, everything is going up. Even the price of coconut has gone up to 70 rupees. When elections come, new schemes will come. This is only to fool the public. Will people be able to pay such high prices to make sweets or buy sweets? You know, the rice also has increased by 20 rupees. And every item which is used in the kitchen has also gone up, from dal to spices, everything. And the women are badly hurt, they're badly affected, because it's becoming very difficult to manage the kitchen, to manage the houses. Congress always stood up for the small person, especially those who have been deprived of their basic food and necessities. BJP thinks of the rich and the famous. Remember India shining? Now it is BJP shining. Their new Taj Mahal of BJP has come up on Kadamba platform. At whose cost and from where has this money come? Think carefully, think wisely. BJP needs to be sent home. This is the time to show them the door. God bless our Goa. God bless India.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.